The CAADP coordinator at the African Union Commission, KBC, and the senior programs officer at NEPAD, Unami Mpofu, are urging for synergy between the public and the private sector in order to realize the Malabo Declaration on increasing agricultural productivity.
How can we have integrated approaches, integrated strategies to implement agriculture?
Have succeeded in terms of bringing agriculture back to the discussion table. Everybody is talking about it. Every country is reorganizing and remobilizing themselves, revising their national-based investment plans, trying to put in new thinkings in the context of Malabo.
Speaking in Accra, Ghana, Komla said the decision to have agriculture permanent secretaries in Africa meet was to help countries have a better understanding of the National Agriculture Investment Plans, NAIP, and to help countries learn from the best practices in implementing the Malabo Declaration.
Years of agricultural transformation agenda in the context of the Comprehensive Africa Agricultural Development Program. This calls for a new thinking in terms of planning and the way country processes are coordinated to implement agriculture-based investments.
We need the PSs to go back and engage with their stakeholders, to go back and engage with other ministries of finance, ministries of trade, to get the work happening at country level.
NEPAD and the AUC want member states to work with the private sector to increase investment in agriculture.
Direction of how we should arrive at the countries in terms of the support we provide, and how the rest of the stakeholders can rally behind this vision and be truly part of the transformation of African agriculture.
The agricultural sector should be able to benefit from this. That inter-sector coordination will be required. And this is one area that our member states need to improve upon.
Countries were urged to ensure inclusivity in agriculture growth and increase the involvement of the youth and women in agriculture.
It would be worth it if I could see more youth and see the women. What will it have been worth if the face of Africa is still the same and the women do not have access to the resources that they need, not only just to feed the families, but also to educate themselves, to educate their daughters.
The African Union says growth in agriculture will aid in reducing the high poverty levels and stunting, which is a contributing factor to slow economic growth levels on the continent. For the Business Defined, I'm Judith Akolo.